IKEA, world's #1 furniture brand. Look how it is. Look at the display and how amazingly they have done the things. If you want to get this kind of a setup, just have to tell them, pack it for me. You get it. It's almost for a boy room. Yep, I might do the thing. Yeah, look how amazing is this, and perfectly made for a gamer here. All the setup you can do, the streaming, and after you set up a place, look at that, your tiny little bar and a small kitchen section. And if you are living in a 1 BHK apartment, this is what you needed. So this is another setup, small bedroom setup for a tiny space. Look how amazing. And then this is after the bedroom you have the dressing area, I mean a small cupboard. The stuffs they have nicely done the display. How amazing is this? After that you have the bathroom. It looks real. This is IKEA Qatar. This is the living area that they have done for the small. I think this is enough for a 1 BHK or a small apartment. Easy to maintain if it's a couple or a single person living alone. Yeah, look how amazing they've done. Perfect. No words to explain. Small pantry, small kitchen area. Let's go to the next section. So this is the other section. Chairs, dining tables. Yeah, you see another section, small pantry area for your house. Another pantry area with the dining table. I personally like to have something like this at my place. Isn't this amazing, guys? Who don't want to have such a small, beautiful kitchen? Yeah, it's really nice. Let's observe more. What's here? For a tiny apartment. Yeah. Small kitchen area. So this is about a small office area or a reading area. You can use it. Yeah. This is I don't know what to say. Maybe children's study area. Yeah. Small office capacity. All the furnitures for the office. This, I don't know how to explain it. Maybe study area. Can have coffee here. Yeah, it's like office again. Nice. Trim they have made for a girl, I think. If you have a teen girl, yeah, it would be nice. Look how amazingly they have done it. You can see the bathroom area, small one. Big one, a kitchen. That's nice. Small pantry where you can sit on it. Yeah, passage. Nicely done. these are the ideas. Yeah, I wanted to show you. This is something really nice, attracted to my eyes. It's nice. Instead of having another bed down, you can keep a cupboard, and the top you can use as a bed. I mean, if you're having a small apartment or a bedroom.